Hello there guys, it's JK at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Suzuki GSX-8S. So it's 2023, 23 plate, 2,298 miles, and it is a proper gorgeous bike. This one, finished in this lovely decal kit. It is a proper head turner. Some really nice extras on it as well. So you've got tail tidy, got that seat cowl on there, got the belly pan as well. Pro taper bars and grips. It's got that private plate on it as well, so you wouldn't even be able to tell it's a couple of years old. Got the fly screen on there, obviously parallel twin. They can be restricted down to an A2 license. Plenty of torque in them. Colour TFT display with adjustable traction and your riding modes and quick shifter and autoblipper. But if you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.